The Shuddhanam, I mean 3 lakhs, the real thing is to improve the quality of the name and chant the fixed, not the Sankhya, the japa the Sankhya per the order of your Guru Agya. And that's a very important thing, and to improve the quality. Because as you appear to be a Grihastha, then there's certain responsibilities and time constraints in the Grihastha ashram in terms of earning money or traveling or whatever, raising children, etc., which don't give a lot of time for long-term bhajan. And if you're more free for long-term bhajan, even as a Grihastha, then you have to, if it's just numbers and there's no ruchi,
then it will not go long.
You'll not get there, because then you're neglecting the holy name.
Yes.
That's so. The holy name is a person.
Yes.
It's like you invite someone, for dinner, and you give them prasad.
Yes.
Then you sit and talk to them, and then after about 10 minutes, then you turn on. You have the thing. You turn on the TV, and the person is sitting there. What? you start watching TV and the person's sitting next to you, because I'm tired of talking to this person. I'm just you don't say goodbye or please go now or excuse me. So that you're chanting Krishna Krishna. It's like you're just putting Krishna on hold.
Yes.
So we have one thing is our Guru Agya of chanting the Sankhya, japa daily, rose japa the Sankhya, and then the next point is, how much can we bear?
Yes.
Because the gopis didn't chant japa, they love Krishna.
Yeah.
There's so many ways to get to perfection. I mean, then Raghavartman Chandrika, he talks about Sangha Siddha Bhakti and Arupa Siddha Bhakti and Sarup Siddha Bhakti. So Sarup Siddha Bhakti is hearing and chanting, remembering.
Yes.
This is the main things. And hearing, chanting, remembering your Ishtadev, Radha and Krishna Yugal in Vrindavan, in the context of the Vrindavan Leela with their associates. So you chant some, and then you're losing a taste, so you read some,
yes,
like this. In other words, you pass the day,
yes,
remembering Krishna.
Yeah.
Sadatad Bhava Bhavita. It's in 8.6 Gita. Krishna is telling you, whatever you cultivate day after day, that bhavita, that will be you will attain that. Sadatad Bhava. That bhav, that sadatad bhava, tad bhav means that bhav, that mood, that feeling, that attitude that you cultivate moment to moment, hour to hour, every day. Bhavita, you will attain that at death. Kalevaram, tyajante kalevaram. Tyajit yante kalevaram. This sharir, ante sharir, then tyag, death, maran. And then so all day long you think, Krishna, you're a servant. And you're chanting, Krishna, I'm a servant of Radharani, and I'm chanting this holy name to please Radharani. Or different meanings are there, different feelings. Maybe your Gurudev gave, or your Shiksha Guru on his behalf, or whatever. And then you're reading. Everything is seva, the attitude of seva. That is a devotee that, in a generic way, that's our constitutional nature. Our sarup. Sarup means your constitutional nature. Our sabhav. Jivera Sarupaya, or Krishna Das. But then when you come in a mood, when you come a little more along the line of devotion, or in Ragmarg, then you're a specific Dasi or Das of Krishna, and Sambandha Ananuga, or this Kamanuga, Raganuga Bhakti, following the gopis or the gopas, or the parents of Krishna. So then you're cultivating the seva bhav and the moods of seva, and all the different sevas. It's a beautiful kaleidoscope of devotional practices focused around hearing, chanting, and remembering Radha and Krishna.